Good morning, children. In our last class, we were studying the lesson The Challenged Conqueror Pandit Dr. Puttraj Gawai. So, let us recall what we have learnt. Puttraj Gawai was a very simple man. He was a great singer, he was a composer, he created and contributed many ragas to the world of music. He was a legendary musician. He was not only a legendary musician but also vocalist, writer, playwright, instrumentalist, an ardent lover of music. He was a proprietor, director, and poet. He was all in one. He worked very hard to educate visually challenged children and also destitute children. He was born in Devgiri near Karjigi in Haveri district on 3rd March 1947 to Revanaya and Siddhamma. So, when he was not even 6 months, the destiny had a different game to play. He got infection with his eyes, and due to the suggestion of a doctor, he lost his eyesight completely at an early age. This was a big failure to his family. And the bad luck continued in a series, and he lost his father at the age of 2. So, his maternal uncle Chandrasekharaya took care of him. So, at that time, there was a turning point in his life. One day, when Chandrasekharaya went to his field, he took a harmonium of his uncle and he started to play. So, when Chandrasekharaya came, he was very much happy. He was playing a very melodious music on the harmonium. So, he was very much happy and surprised. He hugged the boy. He hugged what? Puttraj Gawai. Till here you have learnt. So now let's continue the lesson. Puttaya's grasping power was a matter of wonder to Chandrasekharaya. He learnt everything about music within a short time from his maternal uncle. But it was evident that there was in him an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. The uncle thought of a competent teacher to teach him. So, Puttaya's grasping power means Grahisuva Shakti. It was a surprise for Chandrasekharaya. So, Puttraj Gawai, he had what very good grasping power. He learnt about music very quickly. In a short time, he learnt about music from Chandrasekharaya, his maternal uncle. And also, it was a proof that he wanted to gain knowledge. He was very much curious and he was very much interested to gain knowledge. He had unquenchable thirst to gain knowledge. So, the uncle thought of an able teacher to teach Pandit Puttraj Gawai. So, his maternal uncle Chandrasekharaya. So, next we'll see in the next paragraph. He took him to Pandit Puttraj Gawai, the pontiff of Veereshwara Punyashrama. Under the paternal care and expert guidance of Panchakshara Gawai, Puttaya mastered both Hindustani and Carnatic music and soon became Ubhaya Ghana Visharada. Puttaya also learnt to play many musical instruments such as the veena, the tabla, the mridangam, the dilruba, the shahnai and the sarangi. And was recognized as an outstanding musician. He attained a high degree of mastery over all of them. So his his maternal uncle Chandrasekharaya, he took him to Pandit Panchakshara Gavai, who was a pontiff. Pontiff means Matadisha of Vireshwara ಪುಣ್ಯಾಶ್ರಮ. ವೀರೇಶ್ವರದ ಪುಣ್ಯಾಶ್ರಮದ ಮಠಾಧೀಶ ಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದರು? ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಪಂಚಾಕ್ಷರಿ ಗವಾಯಿಗಳು. ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಪಂಚಾಕ್ಷರಿ ಗವಾಯಿಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾರು? ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರಯ್ಯ ಪುಟ್ಟಯ್ಯನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರು. ಸೊ Pandit Panchakshara Gavai, he took care of Puttaya like his father, and also he gave him perfect guidance. Okay, so under his expert guidance, under his perfect guidance, Puttaya, he took masters in Hindustani and Karnataka music, and also he became Ubhayagana Visharada. He got the name Ubhayagana Visharada. Okay, Puttaya also learnt to play many musical instruments. He also learned to play musical instruments such as veena, tabla, mridangam, dilruba, shehnai and sarangi, and also he was recognized. Okay, so everyone recognized whom Pandit Puttaraj Gavai as an outstanding musician, as a very great musician, and also he gained a high degree of mastery over all of them, and also he gained what? A high degree of mastery in playing musical instruments also, and also in the Hindustani and Carnatic music. His guru Panchakshara Gavai also initiated him into the study of literature. He arranged for the teaching of the celebrated works like Shabara Shankara Vilasa, Rajashekara Vilasa and the Jaimini Bharata Puttaya. Also learnt Braille, the script for the visually challenged. Okay, so Pandit Panchakshara Gavai, he suggested him to learn literature. Literature means a writing work. Okay, he also suggested him to learn literature, and also he arranged him for the teaching of celebrated works. He also arranged to teach what Pandit Puttaraj Gavai the great works like Shabara Shankara Vilasa, Rajashekara Vilasa and the Jaimini Bharata. Puttaya, and also he learnt Braille system, means the script. Okay, the written form for visually challenged, the written form for blind people. By using this Braille script, the blinds, they can read. Okay, they can read. He also learnt that Braille script. Having mastered Kannada, Hindi and Sanskrit, Pandit Puttaraj authored over 80 outstanding works, which include Puranas, biographies, dramas, commentaries and texts on music. He got master in Kannada, Hindi and Sanskrit also, and he wrote more than 80 great works, which included, he also wrote Puranas, he also wrote life stories, he also wrote dramas, commentaries, and also he wrote texts on music. So we'll go for the next paragraph. Notable among them are the plays Sri Kumareshwara Kavya, Akka Mahadevi Purana, Sati Sukanya, Purathanara Puraba, Sharanara Basaveshwara Purana. Guru Sudha and Sangeeta Shastra Jnana are his works on music. So as you all know, Pandit Puttaraj Gavai, he has written many Puranas, biographies, dramas, commentaries, and also he has written texts on music. The well known among these are The plays Sri Kumareshwara Kavya, dramas like Sri Kumareshwara Kavya, Akamahadevi Purana, Sati Sukanya, Purathanara Puraba, Sharanara Basaveshwara Purana are his well-known plays. And his famous works on music are Guru Sudha and Sangeeta Shastra. His translation of Siddhanta Shikhamani from Sanskrit and Basava Purana from Kannada to Hindi are commendable. His Basava Purana in Hindi won the appreciation of then President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. On learning that the author was blind, the president invited him to his residence and honored him. So, he translated Siddhanta Shikhamani from Sanskrit and Basava Purana from Kannada to Hindi. Okay, so these both deserve what? Praise. ಇದೆರಡೂ ಏನು ಹೊಗಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಸ್ ಬಸವ ಪುರಾಣ ಇನ್ ಹಿಂದಿ, ಅವನು ಬಸವ ಪುರಾಣ ಕನ್ನಡದಿಂದ ಏನು ಹಿಂದಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟೆಡ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ, ಸಾರಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, it was liked by the president of that time, that was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So, on knowing that the author was blind, the president invited him to his residence. By knowing that Puttaraj Gavai was blind, he called him for his house and he honored him and he gave what? Respect to him. ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು. They say pen is mightier than the sword. It is true of Dr. Puttaraj Gavai. In spite of his physical disability, Pandit Puttaraj Gavai achieved wonders as the editor of Panchaksharavani, a monthly magazine. It is a great contribution in the field of Kannada and Veerashaiva literature. So, as you all know, there is a famous proverb, pen is mightier than sword. ಅಂದರೆ ಕತ್ತಿಗಿಂತ ಪೆನ್ನು ಹರಿತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ್ ಗವಾಯ್. In spite of his physical disability, though he was blind, Pandit Puttaraj Gavai, he achieved wonders. Okay, he achieved many surprises as the editor of Panchaksharavani, a monthly magazine. He wrote a monthly magazine, Panchakshara Vani, and it got famous name. So Puttaraj Gavai, he got success as the editor also. And also this monthly magazine Panchaksharavani, it is a great contribution in the field of literature, in the field of written work of Kannada and Veerashaiva. So he was also what? Great writer. Pandit Puttaraj set up Sri Guru Kumareshwara Poshita Natya Company, and from the money he earned provided free food, shelter and education to the disabled and the orphans. This theatre company has given innumerable performances throughout Karnataka. Sri Shivayogi Siddharama, a play written and directed by him, earned him both name and money. Hemareddy Mallamma and Nellura Nimbakka have been till date his most successful plays. One can assess the popularity of play Hemareddy Mallamma from the fact that it had uninterrupted 376 performances in Gadag. With the profit from these plays, the company became very stable financially. With this, he purchased a 36-acre plot of land in Gadag, which has now come to be referred to as Mallammana Holla. This has become a permanent source of income to the Veereshwara Punya Shrama. So Pandit Puttaraj Gawai, he placed what? Sri Guru Kumareshwara Poshita Natya Company. Okay, he set up a company named Guru Kumareshwara Poshita Natya. Okay, and from that company he earned money, and also with that money he provided food, shelter and education for the blind children and for also ಆರ್ಫನ್ಸ್ ಅನಾಥರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಏನೋ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅವನು ಫುಡ್, ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಜುಕೇಷನನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ನೀಡಿದ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಕಂಪನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ innumerable performances. It has given many performances throughout Karnataka. So Sri Shivayogi Siddharama, a play written and directed by him, earned both fame and money. So Sri Shivayogi Siddharama, a drama which was written and directed by Pandit Puttaraj Gawai, it earned him both fame, ಹೆಸರು ಮತ್ತು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಸಹ ಏನು ಗಳಿಸ್ತು. And Hemareddy Mallamma and Nellura Nimbakka have been till date his most successful plays. And also Hemareddy Mallamma ಮತ್ತು Nellura Nimbakka, these are what? Successful plays, successful dramas of Pandit Puttaraj Gawai. So we can guess the popularity of Hemareddy Mallamma from the fact that it had uninterrupted 376 performance in Gadag. We will come to know how popular the play Hemareddy Mallamma was from the fact that it was continuously played for 376 days in Gadag without stopping. Okay, it was continually played. From this we will come to know that what Pandit Puttaraj Gawai was a great playwriter, because for 376 days this drama was continuously going on, was continuously doing its performance in Gadag. With the profit from these plays, with the profit from these dramas, the company became, the company what? Guru Kumareshwara Poshita Natya, which was set up by Pandit Puttaraj Gawai, it became stable, it became firm financially. Financially means money. So it was completely settled, it didn't have any problem of money. Now it was stable financially. With that money he purchased 36-acre plot of land in Gadag. He purchased 36 acres of plot of land in Gadag, so which has now come to be referred to as Mallammana Holla, and now it is known as what? Mallammana Holla. This has become a permanent source of income to the Veereshwara Punyashrama. So this what? Mallammana Holla has become permanent source of income. It is earning money to Veereshwara Punyashrama, where they are taking care of blind and orphan children. There they are giving them free food, shelter and education. I hope you have understood this, children. Let's continue in our next class. Thank you.